Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music not working on Reels. So guys, if you want to use any music on your Instagram Reels and that music is not working, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your Instagram app. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to open this and guys click on plus. And guys, now I am going to upload a reel on my Instagram. So guys, simply you have to click on reels tab, and guys, from here you need to add any video. So guys, for example, I am going to add this video. Simply you have to click on next. Hello guys. And guys, after this you have to select here is the more option of audio. And guys, when I am clicking on this one, then guys you will find many of videos here, as you can see. So guys, you can use any music on that reel. So guys, if any music is not working, then guys simply you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, you have to open your app store. And guys, after this you have to search here Instagram. And guys, after this you need to open your Instagram and update your app if not updated. So after this you have to go back. So simply you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And after this you have to click on Instagram, and guys you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from App Store and log in again your Instagram. And after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use any music on Instagram Reels. So if still not fix your problem and still not working your music on Instagram Reels, you have to open your Instagram again. Click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, scroll it below and click on help, click on report a problem and click on report a problem. And guys, after this click on include and continue. Here you need to write your problem that your music is not working on Instagram Reels, and upload a screenshot in which you are facing any kind of problem related Instagram music Reels. And after this simply you have to submit your problem, and within few minutes they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.